everybody, it's Tammy with Embellish the Story. Welcome back. It's good to spend some time with you guys. And if you're new, I'm so glad you decided to join our little group of friends. And I just wanted to touch base with you this morning and let you get a little peek of what I've been working on in my craft room. These have been really enjoyable to create. And I have featured Sunshine's Originals digitals, and I just got a couple of her kits, and I'll tell you what they are. And I decided to feature those on some of these ephemera set pieces I've made. I've used Francois Shabby Neutrals add-on kit for these, and there's one that's just called Shabby add-on kit. And I checked that this morning, so I think that's right. So Marie, I hope you got. I hope I got that right. Hi Marie, by the way. These kits are so elegant and just so shabby and beautiful. And when I saw them, I immediately scooped them up. She has some brand new kits in her shop. So if you haven't seen them, this is a little preview. And you can go to her Etsy shop and purchase her digitals. And I will leave you the link to her shop. So I just wanted to do a quick little preview of some things I've been working on. Here are some things. So I'll kind of go through these one by one. Here is this gorgeous vintage dress, and I have this is some applique from a wedding gown that I've put on this tag, and I thought that turned out really pretty. Isn't that digital beautiful? Here's a journaling card I made. This is a piece of a bodice of a wedding dress, and the piece of dress, it looked like it might have been a mother of the bride dress, but look at those hearts, those shabby hearts with sequins and beautiful tatting. And she's got this little stamp here with this like keys. So I thought this turned out really pretty. Here's another shabby dress. There's one page, and I'm pretty sure it's Francois Shabby Neutrals, and it has 4 dresses on it. So I just fell in love with those immediately. This is a gorgeous dress. I put beautiful down there. I used the same applique from the wedding gown on it. I hope you can see these. And here is another journaling card. This is a beautiful, it's a blush rose. It's very light blush. And then this is a little piece from a child's party dress. And then here is another beautiful dress. It has little bitty pink. It has the tiniest hint of pink in it. So I pulled some pink appliques and laces into my design. And then here is a different wedding gown from the other two that have some, that I just collaged some little bits. These are all backed. That is a piece from Oohlala Vintage Treasure, so these are all backed. Then I made some scrappy booklets. Last summer I showed y'all some bags, gift bags I had bought at TJ Maxx. So they're like, almost feel like fabric. So I made some scrappy booklets to go with, or I've been making them this week, and that is a piece of a wedding gown too. And then here is another scrappy booklet. It's more pinks. These pages are hand-dyed. And so these are things I've been working on this week. I found little bits of time, and I'll make one piece at a time. So it's taken me a while to get this many things created. But it surely has been so fun to use Marie's digitals, and I just wanted to share them with you because they are new, and if you haven't discovered them yet, I just couldn't keep it a secret. I wanted y'all to know. These pieces are available in my Etsy shop. They're in different sets. Some of them sold last night, but there's a couple still left. They're not put together in they're put together in sets. You'll see if you get on my Etsy shop. So I will leave you a link to my Etsy shop. And I know this is a quick video, but I just wanted to say hey And I hope you have a beautiful Tuesday. And I hope you find little bits of time to be in your craft room. It really does, it's like a therapeutic thing for me, just to create. So I will see you guys later. Always remember to embellish the story. Bye-bye.